Abrantia Ibra 1 and nensensem etwe gu no sene ade na akwakoye no. I feel say Kennedy Japan kra no bobenya information ama na bro no so. Tell say people are willingly once Kennedy Japan asema eyo tie can say wono wo pay information about someone sometimes utia. But people are willing to bring out information on Ibra 1 enye easy. Na tell say street so no nkrofo kra empenasem nkofu bebre ene no enka. So people are willingly bringing out information on Ibra 1, and this is very dangerous. Some people are saying some things say Ibra 1 is working with FBI in Kennedy Japan can't touch him, and also a different matter. Ebetumi aba say eye ne kre, ebetumi aba nso enye ne kre. But so far, video na eda wenim sisi ano, it was posted on social media, and you are seeing the pictures and documents. Na nipakro no na wokan woza intino say mantiasie. But according to Obia Watia was explanatory me no, or say documents na nipakro air train and nipakro no pese woma ye ni na ye hu say Ibra 1 a fake document the cast say won't you duty fake documents wo use so ema ne cast na nyama no e na nipakro no e show. Na nipakro no show we no sanso show Ibra 1 senia sebe Kennedy Japan de to so say money laundering Ibra 1 dey money laundering. The Pakono Sanso can say Ibra 1 money laundering no ye nekrano. Na will you sue a savings and loans company be and another year money laundering no. Inti eno document na the Pakono wo ye den wo tre. Na to say we dey Ibra 1 ankasa ne document. Na send ya the Pakono when ya document here wo show nyama no eno na eme wan kakra. Eno na eme wan. That's why I'm saying say Kennedy Japan himself krano. He doesn't need too much. Say what the way people here and that in Japan and now say it was too so. Say Ibra 1. You saw the number of people who called in and were giving information on Ibra. The people who were calling in, people know their voices, but still they didn't mind. Not just say Ibra 1 and Gasangrofuna bona to her. And there was social media. And no part me out I say Ibra 1 not up till now Ibra 1 is still trending on social media at number 1. More revelations about Ibra 1 bonting. Therefore, oh dear subscribe it. Oh subscribe ya more revelation on Ibra 1 in the same way. Was so ebeti. But that's the image you are seeing right in front of you. In same no egusa eba. Ibra 1 ankasa there. I don't know. I've not heard from him on Snapchat again. Mama Wati has said, "Oh, you'll be a Snapchat pan and or kasawo." Na midim ebia wa blocking was Snapchat or something. I don't know. Ebia na wa blocking was, and that's why I'm not seeing his snaps. But see, what we are even hearing, they say Ibra 1 and Kasane ni nuabi, and as see and as a ni nuano na ne wanting because ni nuano you'll be a one on pen and one sem. Senya Ibra 1 wo ye no. Eya asemba bia ni nuane na bekama no asemba bia ni nuane na bekama no nti from what we are hearing no ni nuane kra make calls say wo monya no mompa Kennedy Japan wacho some big people who have also worked with Ibra 1 ya say wo mo so make calls say ye nene mpa Kennedy Japan wacho because Ibra 1 you obi a enyo no kwa na obetofum say Kennedy Japan yes say wo expose Ibra 1 na Ibra 1 so be bobo big people be din wo mo employ mo ho asem nti akwakoye se ebia obi a che se unim se oni na ye adwuma bi a nipa ko we de unim se obebo odin nti ne ba ko na nkasa de won konko pacho for boni a waye no but wo suro se ne ba ko mekwa ko bo odin nti na wo mo na wo hihya ase na wo mom o hihya ase na wo ka tre nkrofo se wo de mesre mo fa nche no ma me why mesre mo fa nche no because unim se nipa ko ye de ko ne so a na nonda wobeba bebo odin. So that is what we are hearing today. So people are placing calls Ibra 1 near omomoni na ye we just say big people are what just say that's what we are hearing say they are placing calls and they are begging Kennedy Japan. But Ibra 1 information there e wa bonte Kennedy Japan doesn't even need to go and seek for Ibra 1's information. He should just Google. Just like I told you, say Kennedy Japan say Ibra 1 ni naked pictures no. Wono eye Kennedy Japan wo naked pictures no. Naked pictures no. Somewhere I think late last year was early this year. Ibra 1 won Shatawale nya asem no. Ena Shatawale be release Ibra 1 naked pictures because na Ibra 1 ne Shatawale ase no mo yan for. It's naked pictures nimpo there. Will be a social media will follow Ibra 1 for a very long time no. Me sure say naked pictures ne kra we hu bi. Ibra 1 ni KOD nyanse nsem KOD krabe posti naked pictures ni bi. Aye Shatawale Adam for KOD. Obe posti naked pictures ni bi. Into the naked pictures nimpo there, you can just Google Ibra 1 naked pictures and it will come up. So Kennedy Japan doesn't even need to be paying for information on Ibra 1. People are willing to come out with information on Ibra 1. Because one, a lot of guys see womo dwano because Ibra 1 nyas can no say been prayed yasan. Guys see womo girls and our de re omo. Into boys ni bia womo report Ibra 1 to Kennedy Japan. Ibra 1 nangasa say been prayed yasan. Sebe. Woko leaky Kennedy Japan number no. No wonim say Kennedy Japan number na wo leak no ebe ha wono ankasa. Because amasi say ankofo nya Kennedy Japan number na wo mu the information no ebe ma Kennedy Japan straight. Omo the information ebe ma Kennedy Japan straight. Inti sa phone number Kennedy o leaky Kennedy Japan phone numbers be for nini na aha no Ibra 1 no. Onu Ibra 1 no e na sa phone number si aha no. So people hate this guy on the streets already. Because when me didn't tell number 1. You see Embra ni sika sem e was throw no nkrofo guess. No disikane area almost o disikane area almost Ibra 1 ankasa babonti oni Shatawale bab enya asem no o sheda babonti be ka se wono kra ware Shatamichi krapen e ma Shatamichi be deny. The next thing, Ibra 1 Yobia, he likes to show off. Now we a young guy, now we person will show off and so on. Naturally, people don't like you. Woman was straight now, so woman wasem. That is why immediately Kennedy Japan bo Ibra 1 dino in Crawford efa the seat show ne so woman number woman sha say woman frɛ. Thirdly, even the Game Boys, some of the fraud boys are Wamoka fraud boys no. Ibra 1 ni omo aye ejuma Ibra 1 echi omu edi. Nti eno so wo ho. And they don't like him. Nti omo ye Game Boys omo nimu ebi mo wo ho omo mpe na asem because we twi omu edi. Nkofo so complaining wajeje omo sika savings and loan because any medical child these are the peoples of Ibra 1 the car. The background also check the papers of Ibra 1 the savings and loan company. You see savings and loan company so sa but jijin krofu sika e wa kantamanto. Savings and loans you say okwa kantamanto jijin krofu sika and also a trade wamba mbetua. That's what someone is also alleging. Into ono wo you be atrese nkrofo emmini na che. And what I am hearing, and they say, Ibra 1, if he's going down, he'll be going down with at least 42 people. Wamonso, fraud boys. Bubodin. This is a fraud boys in that say. Wamaswaya shit. Because Ibra 1, woman and no ender. Let's say, Crawford Kasa. I've seen a screenshot. I don't know whether it's an old screenshot or a new one. A screenshot from a year Showboy. Showboy kra eka say Ghana for na almost snitching on Ibra 1 no. Then fraud boys in as show mo beba betray mo. It no so ya somewhere that ho. Ibra 1 and send the affairs eba. I'll bring you the next story on him. Dear Yatse say nebra pacho or freeway pacho no. Yes, but this video, this document are you here and here say Charlie I was say the brand because you are seeing the oba flipping on say picture na Ibra 1 na nim na da on say nim na what passport we nim we here say the cars and na pa connect say won't you duty na nim na fake cars fake document. That's what the person was saying. Ibra 1 ne pictures na ebobo ade ni musa no etiefo asemo eda ho no asemo eda ho no say na nipa ko ne ka say Ibra 1 no enye fraud a wontumi ndidi tre say enye easy ma ne ni nemu ntrem adwen e wo comment box mo tiefo me da ase